Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tapping is all about making peace with the worst case scenario. Honestly, somebody requested this like 3 months ago, actually 4 months ago now. I'm so sorry that I'm only getting to it now, but I hope that it's still relevant for anybody that likes to future trip, right? Because sometimes we just think about everything that could go wrong in the future, and that gives us a lot of anxiety and we worry over things that are not even happening yet. Well, tapping is all about accepting things as they are. And from that place of acceptance, things, for some reason, it just starts to fall into place, right? Like, I think it's because you don't have any resistance with what's going on in your life. You're not trying to fight with your reality. Like, you're saying, okay, if this is happening, that's fine. I'm going to be okay. And from that space, you're able to have clarity and actually manifest exactly what you desire, because your nervous system is not in fight or flight. Like, you're not fighting over what's happening. I felt that when I was going through my heartbreak, I kind of felt like for a long time I was fighting what was happening and nothing was falling into place. Like, everything just, there was a period, I think for a few months, where nothing was going right. Like, in all areas of my life, it was because I was not accepting what was happening. So let's get into this tapping. Let's make peace with the worst case scenario. And really what this tapping is all about is reminding yourself that you can handle anything. You can handle everything, in fact. That even if the worst case scenario in your head were to happen, which is very rarely what we worry about actually happen. But if it were to happen, that's okay. You're gonna take it one day at a time. You're gonna figure things out. I love how Marie Forleo says, everything is figure outable. You're gonna be okay. Things are gonna work out, because everything is always working out in your favor. Everything is always working out for you, okay? If you wanna dive deeper into tapping, understand tapping more, if you wanna release unhealthy, negative relationship patterns, my new course, Magnetic Love Goddess, is out. It's linked below, and it's all about coming back to yourself and releasing all of those negative or toxic relationship patterns that you may have absorbed throughout the years, okay? So whenever you're ready, let's just start on the eyebrow point. I don't know what the future holds. And I'm really scared of what might happen. The worst case scenario feels overwhelming. And I feel this fear throughout my entire body. I love and accept myself anyway. I forgive myself for feeling all this fear. I know this fear is holding me back. But it's okay to feel this fear. I acknowledge this fear in this moment. The worst case scenario terrifies me. That's okay. I accept how I feel. What if I cannot handle it? What if it's too big for me to process? What if I never bounce back? All these negative thoughts and beliefs, I give myself permission to feel them. But I'm also allowing myself to process all these feelings. It's possible for me to move through these fears. Sometimes I get the hiccups when I'm tapping. I believe in myself. I choose to find peace in the worst case scenario. I choose to find peace with whatever happens. I'm opening myself up to accepting what is. Acceptance does not mean I want it to happen, but I can handle it if it does. I'm letting go of all this fear in my body. Fear of the what ifs. Fear of the future. I'm making peace with the worst case scenario. And if I'm being honest, what if the worst case scenario is just my belief of looking at things? What if things are actually always working out for me? Even if I don't understand it, things are always lining up in my favor. So today I choose peace over fear. Because in this moment, everything is okay. And I know everything will always be okay. All right, deep breath in. And exhale. How did that make you feel? I don't have any worst case scenario that I'm particularly thinking about, but that was a really good tapping for me. I kind of felt like I feel really relaxed and I feel really calm and I feel like detached almost from like any outcome. I feel like everything is okay and everything will always be okay, and I'm okay right now. So I hope that you enjoyed that tapping as much as I did. Again, if you want to work with me one-on-one, if you want to dive deeper into these tappings, join my courses. I would love to have you in there. And comment below, how did this tapping make you feel? Like this video, share it with anybody that you think might need to do this tapping. And I hope that you have a beautiful day wherever you are, and I'll see you next time. Bye.